Thank you for joining us today for this quick presentation brought to you by FHA Mortgage Source. We are Florida's leading FHA loan resource, serving you 7 days a week. Homebuyers that have questions, please call us at 904-302-6060. And of course, visit us at www.fhamortgagesource.com. In this short presentation, we're going to talk briefly about the latest guidelines and requirements in getting started with your application. First, just some of the FHA loan basics. The program does require a minimum of 3.5% down payment that is required from the home buyer. That down payment can come in the form of a gift from family. It does not have to be the buyer's own funds. The program does, of course, the FHA loan, just like any other mortgage. It has all the closing costs and all your prepaid escrow requirements for homeowners insurance and taxes. Those expenses are generally another 3, maybe 4 or 5%, depending on the purchase price, in addition to the 3.5% down payment that is required. Now, FHA will allow that the seller of the home can pay all of the buyer's closing costs up to 6%. So that's a great feature of the loan. The FHA loan, like most government loan programs, it does have an upfront mortgage insurance premium, or what they call MIP. Some of the other government programs may call it a funding fee, or in the case of USDA loans, a guarantee fee. It's basically all the same thing, but it's a one-time fee that is rolled into the loan. FHA, as of 2015, their current funding fee is 1.75%. And then in addition to that funding fee that is rolled into the loan, or mortgage insurance premium, whatever you want to call it, they do have a monthly mortgage insurance cost that is added to the payment each month. Most people may know that term as PMI, or private mortgage insurance. This is essentially the same thing. It's just a monthly charge that is rolled into, added to the mortgage payment each month with the taxes and homeowners insurance. Keep in mind, whenever you do an FHA loan, or any government loan for that matter, your payment will be your mortgage principal, interest, taxes, homeowners insurance, and mortgage insurance, all included in your payment. The loan, of course, is government backed. There is no early payoff penalty, or more commonly known as a prepayment penalty. You can pay off the loan whenever you like without penalty. This applies again to all government loans. The credit score requirement for the maximum 96.5% financing is a 620 score. That can vary slightly from lender to lender, bank to bank. They may have different requirements as far as the exact credit score, but for the maximum financing, 620 seems to be the standard. Home buyers that have a larger down payment, though, that do have like a 5% or maybe 10% down payment, credit scores generally down in the 500s, like a 580 credit score, would oftentimes be permitted for home buyers that do have a little bit more down payment. Okay, and the program is for any single family home, townhome, or condo, FHA approved condo, and the house just has to be general move-in condition. A house that you can immediately occupy, in working order, the basics in working order. Now, for home buyers that are looking to purchase a home that requires extensive repair, maybe renovation, FHA does have a specialty program just for that, and that is called the FHA 203K loan. That is, again, a specialty program just geared towards the homes that have some repairs that need to be done, or renovations that need to be done. FHA will finance not only the price of the home, but also the price of the repairs. Getting started on the loan application, basically it's a 15-20 minute process over the phone. To do the application, the loan officer will ask basic questions in regards to employment history, living history, income, assets, basic things that, again, most people are just going to know by heart. Applicants do want to have all their income and asset documentation handy with them so they know the latest numbers, pay stubs, tax returns, W-2s, bank statements. It's a good idea to have those documents together before you do your application. Once the FHA loan application is completed, the loan officer, assuming you are approved, they will issue a letter of pre-approval to you, and then of course review all the numbers and details at that point. Numbers like your payment, what you can expect realistically as an estimated payment based on your pre-approval amount, with your taxes and insurance and things like that included. And they'll really drill down on those numbers so you understand fully the costs that are involved in purchasing. Again, Florida home buyers, if you have questions, we encourage you to call us. We're available 7 days a week at 904-302-6060, and you'll find tons of other helpful information at FHAMortgageSource.com. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to assisting you soon.